Hi everybody, welcome to JoelTurk.net Rhinoceros tutorials. Today we are going to draw a Hemstitch or Ajur style ring with Rhinoceros 4. My ring's diameter will be 17.5 millimeters. Yes, and then we can measure this length. It says that 54 millimeters, and then we can draw about 4.987 point. Yes, here is our line, and we can move about to the ground this line. Yes, we can start our ring from here. The ring bottom length width will be about 5 millimeters. This will be bottom, and this will be the center of the ring, and it can be 80 millimeters wide. And the Ajur style will start at the 7 millimeters after the bottom length. Yes, we can select this line, and we mirror this line about the right side, and then take arc, draw an arc about like this. Don't forget the open planar, of course, and then we can delete this length. Select this line and mirror this line about the right side, and don't forget to flip between these two curves. We can flip about 8 millimeters like that, and then select these lines and join them, open the edit points, and then select these points, move a little about the circle. Yes, here are the rings one side. Don't forget to join these lines together. Select these lines and join, and don't forget to repeat these lines because we need accurate lines to make mass modeling. Right, we can write about 15 number. Yes, it's nice, and mirror this about here. And now we are going to decide where is our design, Ajur design will start and finish. Let's draw a circle about 7 millimeters here. Put a point to here and mirror this point about here, and select 2 points. Yes, draw a line between these 2 points and select this line. Select offset. I will offset about 1 millimeter because it must be at least 1 millimeter in this side, right and left side, of course. And then we can select these lines, delete these lines, and we are going to join our inner part of the design. Yes, here are the outer part of our ring, and this part is our design, Ajur or Hemstitch design will appear. Don't forget to draw cross-section curves. The height of our ring's bottom will be about 1.7 millimeters, and I draw 1.2 millimeter height sides, and I'm going to make an arc about these lines. Yes, we can see much bigger, and don't forget to make fillet these parts because it's more nice when we fillet about this, and we can fillet about this 1.35 millimeters. Select these lines. This is our bottom cross section. Is it joint? Yes, it's joint. And this is the center cross section. Select This means lines. The height of our ring will be about 6.5 millimeters, and we can draw about 6.5, and we can draw about here 3 millimeters or 4 millimeters will be better. Don't forget to draw these lines, and then select arc, make an arc between these lines, and also don't forget to fillet between these lines. We can make fillet about 1 millimeters between these lines. Yes, fillet about this 1 millimeter. Unable to fillet curves. The fillet radius may be too big. There's a problem about this. But what's the problem? Let's look about this. This is one of my rail, and the other of my line is here. So they are on the same plane. In the same plane. What can I do? I can make a surface and then select these lines, not these ones. Project all of them to the surface. Select delete input, yes. Check out, yes. All the lines goes to this in the same plane. Select these lines, or select fillet about 1 millimeter. Yes, it's gonna be filleted. Be careful about the plane. The problem comes from the project and where I started with project, but later I forgot to close it. What are these? The project operation deleted my rail lines, so don't forget to save every 5 minutes. Okay, dudes? Yes. And the turn came to the making the polysurface. Don't forget to offset this cross-section curve about this, and yes, select zip to rail, select these lines and this line, and then cross-section curves is this and this one. These are the bottom, and these are the center of the ring, center and the upper side of the ring. Right click and put these arrows bottom of the cross sections, because there will be nice modeling. Select mate and height. No, this is more better, and give a shade to the design. Yes, here it's our ring. Select this one and cap all the holes. Where are we? Yes. So, copy and paste this ring and change its layer to the red and hide it. Yes, and then select the ring, explode all the surfaces. It's not exploding. Yes, then we can hide. Delete the surfaces, and here are the important. Here are the design will be short or will be decided. Select these lines and extrude it about, no, not this one. Select these lines again and extrude it. There's no need to cap because we don't need. And split this surface with this surface, because we only need the surface. Yes, here our surface. We are going to use UV map to project our design to the surface. Before this, don't forget to shrink the surface. Select the shrink the trim surface and select the surface. Press right click and the surface will shrink it. And then save it. Yes. Click the surface. But before this, I make a design with number 9 and 6. Here is number 9 and here is 6. We can see I join it and cut some of the curves. I will copy